upgraded concoction rice recipe no one told you about. And just so you know, this recipe is quick, easy and affordable. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossy Omotusho. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this amazing recipe. Let's get right into it. In the pot, you're going to add your sardine oil and then your cooking oil. Next step is you're going to add your onion and allow it to saute for a bit together with your ginger and garlic powder. And then we're just going to mix this and allow it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. Next step is to go in with our grated pepper. At this stage, we're just trying to mix this together until it is well and properly combined. Next is to go in with our seasoning cube and a little bit of water. Then we're going to mix this again. Then after mixing, we're just going to allow it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes. Next step is to go in with our corned beef. And after you go in with your corned beef, you're just going to break them. Make sure it is properly mixed with the pepper sauce that we're making already. Time for us to go in with our washed rice. We're going to mix our rice. And then after mixing this, it's combined, we're going to add our hot water. Emphasis on hot water, you need it. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure that my rice is properly and well seated inside my pot. And at this stage, feel free to taste your food in order for you to adjust its seasoning before you go in with your fresh fish. The fish I'm using is Titus fish. Feel free to use any fish of your choice. Then we're just going to cover this and allow it to cook. I allowed my rice to sit between 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat because it's rice. And mind you, the kind of rice that I'm using also matters. This is a Nigerian rice, long grain. So I'm just going to remove my fish because it's time for us to stir our food and I don't want my fish to get ruined or to just like scatter inside my rice. So I'm just going to bring out my fish. Then I'm just going to go in with our sardine. Remember, we use sardine oil in the beginning, and also our smoked fish, wash smoked fish. Then we're just going to mix this together. After mixing this, I'm just going to put back my fish and then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook on a low heat for another 7 to 10 minutes. After that, all we have to do is just to stir a bit and then serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this. Are you going to recreate this video? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.